In this video, we will compare two popular smartphone gimbals, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 and the Hohem iSteady M6. Both gimbals offer advanced stabilization features, but they cater to different needs and budgets. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one comes out on top. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is priced at $139, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for quality stabilization without breaking the bank. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady M6 comes in at $209, reflecting its advanced features and higher payload capacity. If you're on a tight budget, the Osmo Mobile 6 is a great choice, while the iSteady M6 may appeal to those willing to invest more for added functionality. When it comes to weight, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is significantly lighter at 305 grams, making it more portable and easier to handle during extended filming sessions. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady M6 weighs 551 grams, which may be a consideration for users who prioritize portability in their gear. If you plan to carry your gimbal around for long periods, the Osmo Mobile 6 might be the better option. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 offers essential features like 3-axis stabilization and Active Track 6.0, making it user-friendly and effective for casual users. However, it lacks a built-in light and OLED display. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady M6 boasts a magnetic fill light with AI tracking capabilities and a 0.91-inch OLED display for monitoring settings, providing a more advanced filming experience. For those who need more functionality, the iSteady M6 stands out. In conclusion, both the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 and Hohem iSteady M6 have their strengths and weaknesses. The Osmo Mobile 6 is an excellent choice for budget-conscious users looking for portability and ease of use. Meanwhile, the iSteady M6 offers advanced features and higher payload capacity for those willing to invest more. Consider your filming needs and budget when making your choice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.